What's up with it? It's your boy Mcfly, man, the hardest working man in shoetainment today. Coming at you with another real review. If this is your first time over here in the land of Mcfly, man, I welcome you. Appreciate you stopping by. Hopefully you become a frequent flyer, join the winning team. We got a current goal set. We're trying to hit 300 subs by January 1. All you gotta do is hit the subscribe button. That's it. Right now, just go ahead, hit that little thing that says subscribe. Just go ahead, touch it. That's all you gotta do. Everybody knows, unless you've been living under the rock, that Concords dropped today. No need to ask how I did. I was able to get quite a few of these to go through my hands today, which was great. If you're wondering why all this super flame is over here on the table, wore the Pantones today. As you can see the hat, Tar Heel Nation stand up, where my Carolina head's at. But now that we got all that out of the way, we got a box, man. And this is a shoe that I wanted for a very long time. Came out in the late 90s, around like 98, 99, between 98 and 2000, somewhere in there. And I finally got it. The box was left on my porch today, looking quite raggedy, if I do say so myself. It's pretty much open here. Maybe they thought it was Concords or something, I don't know. But I don't need my handy dandy knife, so we just gonna tear it open. And it's wet. Why the heck? You know what? UPS, boy. Y'all falling off. Let's get this thing up out of here. Most of y'all won't even be able to guess what this is. We got this shoe from Foot Locker. They had a sale. Retail on these bad boys were $160. I got them for $120, I believe, with the discount. They were like $128, maybe $130, somewhere in there. But if you don't recognize the box, this is a pair of Air Max Pluses, that grown man size 14 in the OG Sunset colorway. I've been waiting on this shoe for a very, very long time. Ooh, snap. Can't wait to show that. But let's hurry up and get it out of here so we can get into it. For those of you who don't know, I do real reviews, man. When I got PPs on deck, we keep the box closed, all of that. If you haven't seen my review on these Concords, man, I dropped it probably about a week and a half ago. I'll link it up here on the screen, so if you want to go check that out, you can. I had the early on it, and it was insane. We'll get to that in a minute. But for those of you who are familiar, and for those of you who are unfamiliar, we're gonna get you zoomed in for this close-up action.
Aydrien made this. We got you locked and loaded on this beautiful Florida Sunset right here. For those of you who don't know, this shoe was modeled off the sunsets of Florida. A little tip for you there. For all you box heads, I don't know if you really care to see the box or not, but pull out box. Wish them Concords had to come in a pull out box. You got your TN Air on there, which stands for Tuned Air. For those of you who don't know, another tip, smart fact for you. Regular old Nike bottom and Nike on the back. All right, that's over. Shoe also comes with extra arch support. If you want to put them in your shoes for all you folks with super arches. All right, now you come in here, that mesh upper. I always call them tiger stripes. I'm not sure what the technical term of that cage is, but that's what it is. Wrapping around in that faded orange colorway. Black down here, all white midsole with your air system in there. Black and faded shank. You flip to that bottom. Jeez Louise, this shoe is dope. Man, that's crazy. Back shot on this thing. Here, this back here. It's like a suede or a nubuck. Looking in at the tongue, TN, Tuned Air. Regular old laces. Black and orange Nike on the tongue. And I absolutely love this shoe, man. Man, I've been wanting this forever. And now that I finally got it, it's one of the doper pluses. I had the Ghost White pluses from a couple years ago, or I think they were called Ghost White. I had those, but I ended up selling them or trading them or something. But now that I got these, man, it's over. There's a couple more that they're coming out with that I'm definitely going to try to get my hands on. And on sale, you couldn't really beat that, man. For 120 or 130 bucks for these, man, that's not bad at all. I mean, who wouldn't do that? Might even wait it out a little longer. I probably could have got them even cheaper. But I was thirsty for this one. I ain't gonna lie. I was super thirsty. But hey, I got them now. At any rate, y'all know this is a PP. And them personal pads, you know where they go. On feet. So let's go ahead, man. Jump into this on foot.
All right, man. We geared up for this on foot action, and I'm having a hard time trying not to smile and containing my excitement on these shoes, man. I don't think I said in the first part, but these little stripes here, the silver portions, they're 3M. I don't know how the lighting's picking that up or whatnot. The shoe definitely runs true to size. You shouldn't have to worry about going a size down or up. Like I said, true to size is perfectly fine. At least for me anyway, and I got a pretty wide foot, so bottom shot. This shoe is awesome, man. Comfort wise, it's okay. It's not the most comfortable shoe in the world, but I can dig it. The Tuned Air system is pretty cool. You know, probably the more you beat them in, the better it'll get. I definitely didn't put those arch supports in. My foot is so flat, I need less arch support. I definitely don't need more. If I had to grade this pair, I'd probably give this pair a B+ on the Richter scale. I'm a tough critic, man, but yeah, B+. In the comments, man, let me know how you feel about this joint. You like them, you don't like them. Air Max Pluses, man. Classics. If you don't rock with Air Max Pluses, I don't really know what to tell you. I like Pluses, 97s, and some 95s, but I think I like Pluses more than any of them. But that's gonna do it, man. Until next time, it's your boy Mcfly, man. I'll holler at you.